many times have we edited, filtered, or hidden a part of our life just to look put together for others?
Yes. Many times.
Great. But I think most of us do this daily, often subconsciously. Whether it's choosing a specific photo filter, untagging a bad picture, or simply saying, I am fine. We frequently curate our lives just to meet the perceived social standards or to protect ourselves from the judgments. We are living in a world curated by the filters, where the pressure to be perfect is suffocating, forcing us to present the flawless and manicured version of our lives. Yet, we are starving for something else: authenticity. In the battle between the polished facade and the messy truth, it is the raw power to be real that actually connects us, inspires us, and sets us to be free. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rashita Verma, and I am here to deliver a speech on the topic, the pressure to be perfect versus the power to be real. So, what is the pressure to be perfect? We live in a world that is obsessed with the perfect picture. It is a silent, constant pressure to have the perfect career, the perfect body, the perfect social media feed, and the perfect life. We edit our photos, curate our words, and hide our struggles, aiming for a flawless image that simply doesn't exist. This is pressure to be perfect. Now, what is the power to be real? Being real isn't about being messy or giving up on your goals. It is about having the courage to show up as you are, imperfections and all. Being real means you are loving yourself. You are loving your inner soul. If you are real to yourself, if you are real to everyone, then you haven't that grudge in yourself that you couldn't give them back, or you haven't done that yet, and so on. The power to be real lies in authenticity. It makes us realize that mistakes are lessons. Progress is better than perfection. So I invite you all to break free from the pressure. Be messy, be vulnerable, be your real authentic self. The world doesn't need more robots or filtered images. It needs real people with real stories making real connections. Perfectionism is a prison. It stops us from starting, keeps us away from trying new things, and makes our life ruined because we tie our value to our performance. But ask yourself, what does this perfection cost us? In my point of view, the pursuit of perfection often leads to anxiety, burnout, and a deep sense of inadequacy. At last, I would like to say, real people aren't perfect, and perfect people aren't real. So choose peace over perfection. Thank you.